Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. You might already know that WordPress stores all your website data into a MySQL database. Now sometimes you may need to create a backup or clone your database. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate or clone your WordPress database using PhpMyAdmin. So let's go to our cPanel. Now in the database section, click on the PhpMyAdmin icon. You can also search for it on the top. Now as the page gets loaded, click on the database you want to make a duplicate of. So I hope you already know that which is the database you're looking for. If you don't know, then you can find the database in your wp config file of your WordPress installation. So go to that particular database and then select the content and then click on export button on the top. Now select the export method and then click on go. Now here you have to select the location where you want to save the database. So this process is going to take some time and PhpMyAdmin will now export your database and send it to your browser as a MySQL file. Now you need to create a new database to import this file. So let's go to our cPanel again and then click on MySQL database. In the database section, enter the new database name and then click on create database. You scroll down to the add new user section and then create a new user. Enter username, create a strong password, click on create user. Now click on generate password and copy this password or generate one here. Click on create user. Now once it's done, let's go back to the same page. Scroll down to add the user to the database section. Select the user and the database from here and click on add button. To use it further and to grant MySQL user full privilege on your newly created database, click on make changes. You'll see a success message on completion. Now moving back to the PhpMyAdmin page, on refreshing this page, a new database will be added here. Click on that database, click on import, then click on choose file button to select MySQL file. Then click on go. Now this process may take some time, so you can see the success message here once it's done. So this is how easily you can duplicate your WordPress database using PhpMyAdmin. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.